Hello, Synapse community. My name is Ryan Midgetimer. I'm a product manager on the Azure Synapse Analytics team. Today, I'm going to continue talking about security. In our last Learn Synapse in 5 minutes video, we talked about the first steps to setting up a foundational security framework and infrastructure for your Synapse environment. If you haven't already seen that video, you should definitely head over and check it out now and learn about Synapse InfoSec basics. Now, today we're going to continue talking about managing secrets with the Azure Key Vault, linked services, and how to secure workspace pipeline runs. Now, in our last video, we discussed the importance of using Azure Key Vault to manage secrets as a best practice. Let's quickly recap what Key Vault is. Azure Key Vault is a cloud service used to store and access secrets. What's a secret? A secret is anything that you want to control access to. This could be an API key, it could be a password, it could be a certificate. And what Key Vault does is it protects against these secrets being compromised, and it also serves as a single source of truth. All of that is to say that it saves you a lot of time in the long run and makes your life a lot easier. Azure Key Vault can also be used for secrets when you're creating linked services. Let's go to our Synapse Studio and navigate to the Manage Hub. In our external connections, we can see a linked service pointing to our Key Vault. That's the key to secure our Synapse environment. So how does it work? Let's say that we want to create a new linked service. To do that, we go to the New option and then create a new linked service. In this case, we're going to connect to an Oracle instance. Every linked service allows us to leverage our Key Vault with a secret name and version. After providing those details, we can then secure the workspace pipeline runs. As a best practice, we should store any secrets that are part of our pipeline in an Azure Key Vault. Let's say that we want to retrieve those values with a web activity in our ingest framework. Going then to our Azure portal, let's open our Key Vault. In the settings, let's generate a new secret. Here, we define a name and some value. Last, we're going to hit the Create button. Let's open the secret, and in the current version, we're going to copy the secret identifier field. Now, going to our Integrate pane in the Synapse Studio Hub, let's create a new pipeline. Our pipeline is going to have just one single web activity. We can search for the artifact we want and drop it into the canvas. Below, in the settings section of the web activity, we're going to paste the secret identifier from our clipboard in the URL section, and then select the method get to retrieve the data. The authentication method is going to be MSI. Remember that in our last video, we established an access policy for the managed service identity of the Synapse workspace. This means that our pipeline activity has the right permissions to access the Key Vault via an HTTP call. Then, we're going to add to the canvas a set variable artifact. Once we do this, we're going to connect to both artifacts. Let's click on the canvas so that none of the artifacts are selected. In the settings section, we're going to add a new variable of type string with the name secret value. We're almost there. Let's click in the Set Variable Artifact and select the Variables tab. Let's provide the following values. For name, use secret value. This is the name of the variable that we just created on the pipeline. For the value, enter @activity, open parentheses, in single quotes, web1, end single quote, end parentheses, .output.value. Next, let's debug our pipeline with the toolbar option. When debug finishes, we should see in the output the results of the variable we defined. On the Web1 activity on the General tab, there's a Secure Output checkbox. When checked, this will prevent the secret value from being logged in plain text. For instance, in the pipeline run, we're going to see a masked value instead of the actual value retrieved from the key vault. Any activity that consumes this value should also have their secure input checkbox checked. Well, that wraps up our video for today. We covered managing secrets with the Key Vault, creating linked services, and securing pipeline runs. Let us know in the comments how you leverage Azure Key Vault and what else you'd like to know about security in Synapse. Now, again, my name is Ryan Magitimer. If you want to follow me on Twitter, it's rmagitimer. Synapse is Azure_Synapse. Thanks for watching, everybody. Subscribe to the channel, like our videos, share your videos with your friends. Thank you. We'll catch you on the next one.